Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to deposit fiat money on Binance using credit card. So I just tap on my Binance account and officially logged in. Now I will be just tap on this add funds button, just tap on it, and after you will just tap on this second option, buy with USDT. So buy crypto easily via bank transfer, card and more. So just tap on it, and after when it's load, so from here you can just add the amount like 15 USDT and just add a new card. So here you can just add your first name, last name, and you can also add your card number, and if you have your card in your hand you can also scan it, and you can just expiration date add and CVV code, security code, and make sure your address is accurate and your city postal code, and you select your city and your country and just tap on confirm. So when the all informations are confirmed, your card will be attached with this, and you can just withdraw your money into the Binance. So you can easily deposit your fiat currency, which means the national currency. You can just add your Binance account from your credit card or card. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.